start working on our new check-in system and registration for classes. There is some rumors going around that we are going to be allowed to open up next week. And so I want to start testing the system out now because, as you know, technology rarely works without any bugs or problems. So I want to walk you through, this is going to be how to register for a class, and we're going to do it whether it's virtual or on site, just so that way we can test everything about the system and be up and running. So I'm on the app right now, and so as always, it's going to ask you to log in if you're not already logged in. Right now, it always opens up to the event sections. There are no current events, which is why the screen is going to be blank. The upper left-hand corner has the 3 horizontal bars. Technically, those are called the hamburger or your menu. And what you can do is if you open or you click on those 3 buttons, it's going to open up the slide menu here. Click on class schedule. This is where you're going to see the available classes that you're able to register for. Now, you are going to want to be careful to make sure that you are registering for what you mean to register for. Little Dragons on site and Kids Karate on site are classes being held at the karate school. So these are the ones you're going to register for if you're at the school or coming to the school itself. Kids Karate and Little Dragons virtual class is currently what we offer. If you're on the computer, you're going to be on the computer watching us via Zoom. So if right now, some of this is going to work and some of it may not, which is why I want to start testing. It's going to depend on what type of membership you have and the settings we have on our side. So please send me any messages, notes if something is not working. So for example, what's going to happen if you're coming to Little Dragons on-site class, you would click Little Dragons and it's going to open up. Now, there are some glitches or some things that don't function the way I think they should in the program. For example, right now at the time of this recording, it's August 31st, but the 5 o'clock class has already happened. But it will still allow me to register for this class today. So just double check, go slow, make sure you're in the right date and the right time. So if I want to attend class tomorrow for Little Dragons, I would click on that class. Then it's going to automatically pull up my membership. So I click on that. All of the information is already populated here, so you don't have to worry about typing anything in. And then you do have to agree to the waiver, which simply just says, please arrive 10 minutes before class time to make sure that you can be checked in. You click on that, and then you click register, and you're all set. You're going to automatically be registered for that class. I believe you should receive an email verifying that time. Now, some of the things that I did find, for example, if I want to do the Kids Karate virtual class, so that's tomorrow at 5:30. When I click on that, I get this error message saying that it's not available for my particular membership level. So if you see this type of message, then please send me a note, and then I've got to adjust something on my end on the back side of the program itself. So right away, once you've watched this video, let's start using this tomorrow. Right now, we only have virtual classes, so everybody would register for virtual. And then once we get the announcement, we're being told Governor Whitmer might be coming out Wednesday to do the announcement, or she's saying update. Whether that means we're allowed to open and what the restrictions are, I have no idea. But either way, let's get used to using this and find whatever problems there might be in the software now so that we can make it run smoothly once we are allowed to physically open. All right, as always, if you have any questions or if anything looks confusing, please send me a note. I am happy to help. Have a great night.